Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to do your body strokes. So it's really important that you have that really nice transition. So what you don't want to do is you don't just want to point your stroke straight up into the spine. You see how my end of the stroke isn't pointing down following that transition line? You don't want to do that. If you do this, it's going to have the eyebrows look like fish bones. And we don't want no fish bones over here. We want our brows to curve with the client's hair flow. And by doing this technique, that ain't going to happen. So what you want to do is you want to come in at an angle, slightly curve the stroke onto the spine. The distance between each stroke that you want to do is about 2 millimeters. You want to have just enough gap to fit a stroke in between each stroke. Doing this is going to cause the eyebrows to look more natural and give a natural flow to it. And then one more for that arch. Alright, so after we have our mother strokes down, we're going to do influence strokes, and that's going to be my next video. See you guys there.